What's up, Misfits? Today we're here at Hilton Head Island. We're just walking around and exploring. Say hello. Let's see what trouble we can get into, shall we?
Here's a question. Do you get to go in the lighthouse or just see it?
That's a good question.
I know, but it's very nice over there. You sit outside,
Yeah.
you look out at the water and the boats coming through.
Another little gift shop. I'm curious.
Sure, I'll come up there afterwards. All right.
Yep.
If you have any questions, just speak up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dawn, why did you point that out to me?
You would have seen it eventually.
Only $25. I hate you so much. I'm getting it.
Okay. And somebody's parasailing over there. That looks like so much fun. Can you guys even see that? Let me see if I can get in close here for you. See that? Yeah, that looks like a blast. There's a thing here. What is that? Is that what that is? Oh. Oh, wow. Goodness gracious. What happened to them?
Tide comes up, and then when tide gets pulled back out, they don't go far enough with it, so they stay here.
They get
That's
stuck.
why you'll also see them like all right there.
Wow. That one's really pretty. What'd you find? Oh, that's a pretty one. Thank you.
You're welcome. No, it's just,
Oh, it's empty?
yeah, it's empty,
It is empty.
but it's still together.
Nice. So keep it.
Okay. Next thing.
That
It's pretty.
is really pretty.
That's always something.
Hello, bird friend. Hi. Are you strutting for the camera? Look at this sassy bird. Will the bird come closer? The bird is not coming closer. The bird is flying away. Okay, goodbye, bird. Sammy is left all by her lonesome. Left to ponder why the bird flew away.
What shit are you talking?
Nothing.
Make sure nothing are in them.
That's true. Oh! That moved.
Hello, Mr. Hermit.
That scared me.
Did she disturb you?
I'm sorry.
We just wanted to admire your show. I will put you
okay.
back down, I promise.
There's another one. Check and see if that one has something in it.
It does.
This one has a friend in it too. Hello.
He's mad because I flipped. He's like, why did you wake me up?
Oh.
He's like, I'm napping. Get away from me.
Sorry for disrupting you. I was just really curious. Alright, that concludes our beach ventures. What else can we get into?
Ice cream.
Alright, we got ice cream. Ice cream for one, anybody? Ice cream for one. What kind is it?
Cookies and cream and strawberry. Guarantee I'm not going to be able to eat it all though.
Most likely, because you got a double scoop.
Yeah. I'll probably eat half of it and be like, I'm done.
Alright, off to the ruins we go.
Yay.
Alright, this is all that's left of the ice cream now. I'm slowly working on the rest of it.
I got through most of it.
Alright.
More than we thought we'd try to.
Definitely more than we thought. We're at the Stony Baynard Ruins. Let's go exploring. It literally looks like just a foundation of a building.
Exactly what it was.
Oh, domestic slave quarters. Interesting.
What's left of the chimney?
Well, alright then. There's more path that way. Onward. Oh, it burned in 1867.
Look at the dead trunk. The dead trunk.
Oh, wow.
That is super pretty.
Alright, so we left the ruins and now we are at, what was it, Coligny Plaza or something like that? It's a shopping center around here. So, let's see what trouble we can get into.
Yay.
Shop. Is it lifted? That is awesome. That is fantastic.
Yeah.
Hello, crab friends. What did you find?
So I can use it.
Mm-hmm.
But then I found shot glasses for liquor. Sex. And my favorite.
Alright, you got your sand dollar?
Yep.
You got your bags?
And I have a baby shark.
Alright, on to the next shop we've got over here. Black Market Minerals. Alright, we didn't find anything in the crystal shop, but we have coastal wear and their hats inside, so we're gonna try these. Try it on. You look like you're wearing a fisherman's hat. Go stick your head in there.
Pretty sure this is supposed to be for kids, but there you go.
Alright, we were passing by the Island Fudge Shop, and she decided to go in.
There
and
was
came
a
out.
coupon.
She came out with 5 pounds of fudge.
There was a coupon, okay?
£5.
There was a coupon, and I'm not gonna eat it all.
That's true. I'm gonna help a lot.
Exactly. This is gonna take like 7 months.
I just thought it was
Do
funny.
you really think I can eat fudge after surgery?
No.
I mean, I can have like a bite.
I just thought that was funny. You bought £5.
There was a coupon.
I know. Oh, there's a little diner here. Gringo's Diner.
It's closed.
Oh, it's cute though. Alright guys, that concludes our adventures in Hilton Head today.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be welcome.
And get creative.
Bye.